Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle the Wi-Fi off and on. So as you guys can see, let me unlock the phone. Here we have the Wi-Fi icon. Basically, that means we're connected to the Wi-Fi. So go over to settings. Now here in those settings, what we want to do is we want to go to connections and now click on the Wi-Fi here. Now click on this switch on the right side. Now the Wi-Fi is turned off and we need to wait a couple of seconds until we turn it back on. So around 5 seconds have passed already. Let's turn it on and it should be all good. Now, if there are still some issues, you guys can easily forget and reconnect to the network by clicking on the gear icon right next to it. Click on forget in the bottom on the right side of the screen. And now let's get the same network here. Let's just click on it. And here let's enter our password. So I'll see you guys once I enter mine. Now after clicking connect, we are successfully connected to the network, and what we can do next if there are still some issues is restart the router and the phone. So I do not have my router nearby, so I cannot do that, but what I can do is show you guys how to easily restart your phone. So hold the power button and the volume down button. Now keep on holding them until you guys see this menu appear. Click on the restart and tap again to restart the device. So I'll see you guys once the device is fully restarted. So now let's go over to the settings, and in the settings we need to check for the software updates. So go to the settings right here. Now scroll down until you guys see the software update. It's almost at the bottom, and here click download and install. Now it will check for updates automatically, and as you guys can see, my software is up to date. If yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important. You can get rid of many glitches by simply updating your software. It's one click and it can make your device 100 times better. So now moving on, as the final option is to reset the network settings. So go to the general management, it's also at the bottom, click on reset, and here click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and reset mobile network settings. We do not want to reset accessibility settings. Only if you guys want to, then you guys can click reset all settings, but I would recommend resetting these settings. Now after that, resetting the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Basically it will forget all the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi networks and it will bring them back to default, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.